আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকের লেসনটি একটা চমৎকার লেসন। যারা একদম বিগিনার শিক্ষার্থী আছেন, একদম ইংরেজি জিরো লেভেল থেকে শিখতে যাচ্ছেন, তাদের জন্য আজকের এই লেসনটি। আজকে আসলে এই লেসন থেকে আমরা 100 কমন কোয়েশ্চেনস আমরা শিখব, যেগুলো আমরা আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে প্রতিনিয়ত ব্যবহার করি। সো আমার সাথে আছেন শরাফত স্যার। আমি স্যারকে প্রশ্ন করব, স্যার আশা করি জটপট প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলো দিয়ে দেবে। আমরা বলছি র্যাপিড কোয়েশ্চেনস অ্যান্ড র্যাপিড অ্যান্সার্স। ওকে, এটা আপনাকে ইংলিশ শিখতে অনেক বেশি হেল্প করবে ইনশাআল্লাহ। চলেন আমরা শুরু করি। Sir, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Right. Thank you very much. First of all, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. Thank you very much. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And what's your full name?
My full name is Sharafatuddin, but my family members and my neighbors, as well as my friends, like to call me Sharafat. So you can call me Sharafat.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gopalganj. As you know, it's a famous district in Bangladesh. And Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born in this district.
What do you do?
I'm an instructor of Rahat's English Care, and I've been working here over 4 months.
How many members do you have in your family?
Okay, there are 9 members in my family, including myself and my sisters, my brothers, and my parents.
What does your father do?
My father is a retired teacher, and he's still now he doesn't do anything.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Are you happy in your conjugal life?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very much happy in my conjugal life.
How many kids do you have?
I have no kids.
You don't have any kids?
No, I don't have any kids.
Okay, so how many kids will you take?
I don't know. Allah knows the best.
Thank you very much. Who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is definitely Mushfiqur Rahim.
Mushfiqur Rahim.
He's a pious person, as well as I like his smiling very much.
Okay. Do you love traveling?
Yes, definitely I love traveling very much, because by traveling we can meet many new people, and we can get to know different type of cultures, and we can test different type of food by traveling.
Okay, what type of food do you like most?
Definitely homemade food.
Homemade food.
Yes.
So do you know how to cook?
Yes.
And what type of food do you know how to cook?
I can make different type of food like hospas, biryani, and
Okay, do you love biryani?
yes, I love biryani very much. But I don't like this food when I have a bad stomach ache.
When do you get up every day?
I will try to get up after hearing the Fajr's azan. It is to be exact of around 5 a.m.
Okay, what's your daily routine? Could I know?
Yes, sure. So first of all, I try to get up early in the morning around 5 a.m. Then I go to washroom for freshening up myself, and after freshening up and after making ablution, I go to mosque for performing Fajr prayer. And after performing Fajr prayer, I try to take some rest. And after taking rest, I take my breakfast. Then I go to school for conducting my classes, and I stay there till 2 p.m. And after coming from my school, I take some rest again, and you can say I take a nap. And after taking a nap, I go to mosque for performing Asr's prayer. And after Maghrib's prayer, I have some classes, online classes. So I conduct online classes. I have online classes till 12 p.m. And after completing my online classes, I take my dinner, and after taking dinner, finally I go to bed.
Have you ever been to Sundarban?
No, I've never been to Sundarban, but I want to be there once in my life.
Okay, have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
Yes, I've been there several times. To be exact, 3 times.
3 times. So how was your childhood?
Alhamdulillah, it was very much enjoyable because I passed my childhood in my village, and it is very much funny to pass anyone's childhood in a village.
Could I know about your school life?
Yes. Actually, I was a student of madrasa. When I was a student of madrasa, I used to stay in a hostel.
Do you have any memories in your life and which you can share with me?
Okay. So once I got angry with my father, and actually my father is also very much angry person. I got out from my house by getting angry with my father, and I walked over 5 kilometers, and everyone was looking for me when everyone was looking for me, and I returned to my home. I returned to my home after more than 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yes.
Is there any good school in your village?
Yes, there is a good school in my village, but if you compare with city's school, it is not good.
Okay, right. So you are already married. You are married, mentioned earlier. But I would like to know what type of marriage do you like? Love marriage or settled marriage, and why?
Obviously, so settled marriage or arranged marriage, because if you have a love marriage, then you have a possibility to misconducting your wife, because when anyone fall in love with any girl, they are actually they they feel themselves on the air. They like they are flying on the air, and they promise I can do everything for you, but after marriage after marriage they aren't able to do something special for their wives.
Would you like to go abroad for traveling, and which country would you like to go if you got chance?
Okay, if I get a chance to go anywhere in the world, my first priority is Makkah.
Makkah.
I want to,
Alone or with your family members?
if is it possible for me to take my family, definitely I will take my family to Makkah, inshallah.
Inshallah, right. Thank you very much. And what do you do in your free time?
I do many things in my free time. To be exact, I like singing Islamic song. So most of the time I spend by singing Islamic song in my free time.
So what's your future plan?
In my future, I want to teach people different type of thing. Actually, I'd like to help people. So I want to do something special for my villagers in my future. Actually, I like to help others in my future time.
You would like to help others. Do you love politics?
No. I hate politics.
You hate politics. So who is your best friend in your life?
My best friend's name is Numan Khan, and we have studied Alim in Darul Siddiqia Kamil Madrasa, and he's still my best friend because he's a pious person and he's a punctual person, and he has a lot beard. He has a lot of beard, a long beard, and I love him very much.
Do you think every person should have a good friend of his or their life?
Yes, obviously. Friendship is important for everyone, because if you have a good friend, he can save you from facing difficulties, from falling dangerous situation. And if you start going to bad way, so your friend can save you from this way. So it's very much important for everyone to have a good friend.
আমরা এই যে আমরা কমিউনিকেশন করলাম, এটা কিন্তু একদম বেসিক কমিউনিকেশন ছিল, যে আসলে আমরা কিভাবে দৈনন্দিন জীবনে কথাবার্তাগুলো কত সুন্দরভাবে আমরা গুছিয়ে বলতে পারি। ইংরেজি শিখতে হলে আপনাকে চর্চা করতে হবে, আপনাকে সার্টেন এভাবে বসে যেতে হবে, বসে গিয়ে দুইজন ইংলিশে কথা বলা শুরু করতে হবে। যখন আমরা এইভাবে ইংলিশে কথা বলা শুরু করব, অনেক প্রশ্ন আসবে। সেই প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলো আমরা এভাবে যদি দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করি, আমরা প্রতিনিয়ত যদি এভাবে কমন কোয়েশ্চেন্সগুলো বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করি, তাহলে আমাদের দেখা যায় দৈনন্দিন জীবনে আপনার কমন কোয়েশ্চেন্সের সংখ্যায় থাকে 80% অথবা 90%। 10% হয়তো বা ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ কোয়েশ্চেন্স থাকে, যেগুলো আপনার নিজে থেকে আপনি যখন 90% প্রশ্ন উত্তর দিতে পারবেন, 10% দ্বারা খুব বেশি ডিফিকাল্ট হবে না, হবে না। সো এটা একটা কমিউনিকেশন স্কিল। আপনার উদ্দেশ্য করে বলছি, যদি আপনার কাছে মনে হয় যে স্যার আমার এই সেশনটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে, আপনি ভিডিওটি ডেফিনেটলি আপনার মোবাইলে শেয়ার করে রাখবেন, যাতে করে আপনি বারবার এটা আপনি দেখতে পারেন। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, বেস্ট অফ লাক।